Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I will show you how I play the short but amazing guitar solo by Tabor from It's Love by King's X. Now Tabor recorded the song in drop D tuning, but the solo can be played in standard tuning, which is what I have my guitar tuned to, E, A, D, G, B, E. The key is D minor, so we'll go up to the 10th fret and work in the D minor pentatonic scale. Now Ty uses very creative use of this minor pentatonic scale in this record with some slides and bends. For that fat strat sound that I'm hearing on the recording, I've got my Fender Strat and I've got the pickup selector between the middle and the bridge pickup. Now if you want a deeper tone, you can move it to the neck and the middle pickup by just using the selector switch here. Now I'm going to go to the sound I like, and you hear the overdrive of my pedal. For the overdrive, I'm using my Hermida Audio Overdrive pedal, but any distortion pedal will work for this. You just want to try to get a mellow setting on it. Let's play through it first and see what you're going to have to play. We're going to start here at fret 11 on the G string, and we'll bend that up like this. Then we'll go. Alright, to start our solo, we're going to go to fret 11 on the G string, which is an F sharp. We're going to do a slow bend and bend the string up until we hit the pitch of an A, which is here. Right, so we're going to play. So we bent it until we got to an A and held it and then stopped it. Then we'll go to the D string, fret 12 to 14, and do this. So we hit fret 12 and then we slid up to fret 14 and then vibrato. So on the D string, next we'll do this. We went to fret 10 on the D string, bent it up and stopped it like that. Then fret 12, back to 10, 12, and then slide down. Next we'll do this. For that, we went to fret 13 on the B string, then to fret 12 and do a bend and stop like that, and that's on the G string. We'll stay there at 12 and do this. So that's at fret 12 on the G string, bend it up, bring it back down to pitch. That's fret 10 on the G string, back to 12, 10, bend it up, fret 12 on the D string, fret 12 on the A string, back to 10 on the G string, fret 12 on the D string, 12 on the A string, and then slide it down. That's 12 to 10. So then we'll play this. So that was fret 8 on the A string, fret 10, back to 8, then we'll go to 10, sliding up to 12, back to 10 on the G string, and then 12 on the D string. So that's next, we'll go to fret 10 on the high E and do this. That's two D's. D here at fret 10 and D at fret 15 on the B string. Now we slid from 13 up to 15 and then we'll do vibrato. Next we'll do this. So we went to fret 10 on the high E and the B string. Then 13 on the B string. And then we'll go to 12 and bend it up. Bring it back down. So this. Next is, so that was on the B string, 10, 12, bend twice, and strike it. So that's and the next thing is going to be like that riff. Starting with fret 9 on the B string, 9, 10, 9, 12 on the G string, 10, 12 on the D string, 12 on the G string, 10, 12 on the D string, go back to the G string, bend up on 10, and then land on the D string, 12 with vibrato, and slide it down like that. So it's we'll end by going to fret 12, sliding down to fret 10 on the A string. Then 8, fret 10 on the low E, and then back to 8 on the A string, sliding down. So it's one more time. So now let's play through the entire solo with tabs at half speed. Here we go. Well, alright my friends, that's how I play the guitar solo from It's Love by King's X on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and do what you can to make this a great day.
Bye.